What are the tax benefits available under an ELSS mutual fund? And how will they benefit an investor? Our Chief Financial Planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will give insights on this. Ramalingam, over to you.
ATC benefit is the most important benefit available for ELSS mutual fund investors. When you are investing under Section 80C, up to 1.5 lakhs you can invest. This 1.5 lakhs includes other options also, like PPF, term insurance. Uh, Put together, it should be 1.5 lakhs. ELS is also part of it. So whatever the money left in that 1.5 lakhs, you can invest that money in ELSS and get benefited.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.